Question 401. How would you set up a CI/CD pipeline in Azure DevOps for a .NET application? I would create a new pipeline, link it to the repository, define the build tasks to compile the code, run tests, and package the application. Then, configure the release pipeline to deploy the built artifacts to the target environment. Question 402. What is the purpose of a release gate in Azure DevOps pipelines? Release gates in Azure DevOps pipelines are used to ensure quality and stability before promoting a release to the next stage. They can include automated and manual approvals, quality checks, and other conditions that must be met before progressing. Question 403. How do you handle secrets and sensitive data in Azure DevOps pipelines? I would use Azure Key Vault to securely store and manage secrets, then reference them in the pipeline tasks using Azure DevOps variable groups or Azure Key Vault task. This ensures sensitive data is not exposed in plain text within the pipeline. Question 404. What is the difference between Azure DevOps boards and Azure DevOps repos? Azure DevOps boards is used for work item tracking, project management, and collaboration, while Azure DevOps repos provides Git repositories for version control. Boards focus on tasks and planning, while repos focus on source code management. Question 405. How do you troubleshoot a failing deployment in Azure DevOps? I would first check the logs and error messages from the deployment tasks to identify the root cause. Then, I would review the pipeline configuration, environment settings, and dependencies to rectify any issues causing the deployment failure. Question 406. Describe your experience with implementing infrastructure as code (IAC) using Azure Resource Manager (ARM) templates in Azure DevOps. I have created ARM templates to define and deploy infrastructure resources in Azure using declarative JSON syntax. This approach allows for consistent, repeatable deployments and version-controlled infrastructure configurations, enhancing automation and scalability. Question 407. Can you explain the concept of blue-green deployments and how they can be implemented in Azure DevOps? Blue-green deployments involve running two identical production environments, with one active, blue, and the other inactive, green. In Azure DevOps, this can be achieved by deploying to separate staging slots and swapping them when ready to switch traffic. Question 408. What steps would you take to scale Azure DevOps for a growing development team? I would assess the team's needs, evaluate current usage, and consider factors like project complexity and build frequency. Scaling options may include upgrading resources, optimizing pipelines, adding agents, and implementing best practices for collaboration and efficiency. Question 409. How do you integrate Azure DevOps with third-party tools and services? I utilize Azure DevOps Service Connections, webhooks, APIs, and extensions to integrate with external tools like Jira, Slack, Docker, and monitoring services. This allows for seamless data exchange, automation, and collaboration across different platforms. Question 410. Can you describe a challenging problem you encountered while working with Azure DevOps and how you resolved it? One challenge I faced was optimizing build times for a complex microservices architecture. I addressed this by parallelizing tasks, caching dependencies, and fine-tuning resource allocation, resulting in significant performance improvements and faster deployments. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like SIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like SIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.